Is this your last chance to buy Brett below 7 cents? That's what we're talking about in today's video. My name is Gordon Frayne, and as always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button below, hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about future videos, smash that bell notification icon, and don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It is linked down in the description below. Grab it while it's free. It is my gift to you, and let's get into the content. So if you are familiar with the channel, you will know that we have done plenty of videos on Brett. We have done deep dives into the boys club, into the Brett ecosystem, into everything happening on base. We've done other price predictions, so you can definitely check out all of those videos on the channel here about Brett in more detail. But if you're not familiar with Brett, it is the leading meme coin within the Base ecosystem. Base is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum incubated by Coinbase, and Brett has actually become almost like the de facto #1 token on Base because of the fact that Base does not actually have its own native token like other layer 2s, similar to Polygon or Arbitrum. They've got their own token associated with the network. Base does not actually have a token, and what's happened is we've actually seen Brett become not just the #1 meme coin on Base, but the #1 Base token by overall market cap, period. So you're currently seeing us sitting at just under a $700 million overall market cap for Brett, which means we're sitting just under the 7 cent level. And is this your last chance to be buying Brett below 7 cents? Well, it very well may be if we take a look at the chart here. Obviously, it's been a rough couple of months here as we moved from Brett peaking all the way up at 19.5 cents here back on June 9th of this year. A couple of months ago, we've been in a pretty solid downtrend with Bitcoin moving downwards and getting to the mid to low $50,000 levels here at the beginning of September 2024. And as you can see, we've been going downwards as a result with the price of Brett as well. So we're currently sitting at the levels we are here now, just below 7 cents. But with meme coins having been one of the best performing narratives of this year so far, we could be in for another leg up for meme coins by the time we get to Q4 of this year, or by the time we move into Q1 of 2025. And again, if you look at some of the price predictions we've done for Brett on the channel, you'll know that, we think there is potential for Brett to be going to 20, 30, 40, maybe even $50 billion in terms of overall market cap, given the fact that we're seeing the rollout of this Coinbase smart wallet. When Coinbase rolls out the smart wallet, it's going to be a much more intuitive way for users and retail investors to create a self-custody wallet solution. And obviously, with Coinbase having incubated the Base network, they're going to want people to be using the Base network as the default network for executing swaps, transactions, buy and sell orders when they are using the Coinbase smart wallet. And Coinbase already has a user base of about 140, 150 million people. So when we get more people using Coinbase's new self-custody wallet solution, more capital flowing into those self-custody wallets, Coinbase pushing the fact that they want people using Base network as the default network on the Coinbase smart wallet, and the fact that Brett is the #1 token in the entire Base ecosystem, in my opinion, the downstream effect of all of that is more capital flowing into Base and more capital flowing into Brett as a result of it. So again, I think there's a lot of positive sentiment around Base and just how much growth Base as a layer 2 scaling solution has seen over the past year since its mainnet launch, and tokens like Brett really making big moves to establish themselves as key frontrunners within the entire Base ecosystem. So yes, this chart does not look the best right now, but I think as we move into Q4 of this year and Q1 of next year, we are likely to see another leg up, not just for meme coins, but for the market in general. And when Bitcoin makes moves to the upside, and so does Ethereum follow in very quick pursuit, we normally see meme coins doing multiples in terms of gains versus Ethereum versus Bitcoin and significantly outperform those tokens on a percentage basis after they make big moves to the upside. So again, I think as we're making this video, you can see even us creeping higher for this green candle on the daily. I think there's lots of potential for Brett to the upside. Of course, this video is not financial advice, but given the point that we are at in the market cycle, given the fact that we've seen such a big drawdown for the price of Brett, I do think there's an opportunity to be purchasing in this area just below 7 cents. I'm not sure how much lower we will go over the course of the next few weeks. September is normally a red month for Bitcoin in terms of monthly returns. And if we can weather that storm and potentially, have a little bit of a negative month in September, October and November are typically the two best performing months in terms of Bitcoin monthly returns over the past 10 years. So again, we've only got a few more weeks until the end of September. Then we move into October, November, Q4 before Q1 of next year. And I think with rate cuts coming, more capital flowing into the markets, more people looking for risk on assets later in Q4 this year, I think, we could be getting towards a bottoming for the price of Brett here. And maybe there's no, there's not going to be a big opportunity to get in at prices very much lower than where we are today. So that was a very quick one. We can see that we're obviously just sitting below 7 cents. Again, over the past week, we've seen a dip down as low as 6.3 cents, but opportunity to get in below 7 cents. I think, we could be going to definitely going to $1 or $2 for the price of Brett in this bull cycle. So get in if you can, if you enjoy Brett and the Boys Club and everything that's going on in the Matt Fury universe and everything that we've done in terms of explaining Brett in other videos on the channel, it could be a very good buy the dip opportunity. Of course, this is not financial advice, and if you do enjoy the video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up on your way out the door. Hit that subscribe button as well, and if you want to get notified about similar videos, smash that bell notification icon. And finally, don't forget to grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin. It's going to be linked in the description below. Grab it while it's free. It is my gift to you, and we'll catch you in the next one.